One thing I love about Rupia Banda, during the time of Rupia Banda, there were a lot of criminals, but they were stealing quietly. PF, when they steal, everyone must know. That's why prison is going to be full. That reminds me, I know that you are watching. So they must go. Any question? I want to answer your question before we go into the other thing. Give me your questions. Give me your questions. Chama Junior, I love you, Sia1. I love you more. Granton, the dawn of power. God bless you. And we have no job, and we are done with university. Look at the stupid government. Even you that is supporting PF, even if as foolish as you are, you cannot think about how many millions are being spent on students to go to school. Students, they don't eat. They are studying. They waste those so many years in the university only to come and start looking for job. They cannot find job. And start watching cadres, prostitutes, slave queens moving up and down with millions. Are you mad? Can't you see that Edgar Lungu does not understand what leadership is all about? He doesn't know nothing. Why are you scared of coming to Zambia? Before now, when I was starting this battle, I applied for a visa because Bowman Lusambo was threatening me, saying if I come to Zambia, he's going to do this, he's going to do this. I applied for a visa, they denied it. I'm not afraid of coming to Zambia. I've made a vow that my leg will not step there because many people that are watching me, men and women of God in Zambia, they are saying, so if Hakainde Hichilema wins election now, Sia1 will come to Zambia and open a church and take our members. What type of stupid church are you talking about? What is in Zambia? How many people are there in Zambia? I have passed the level of Zambia. There is level for everything. How can a homie, Don of power, the Don of power, the Don Corneo of power, that has a throne at the Godfathers at Desert of Wonders, a homie, I go and open a church in Zambia. What will I be doing there? There is only two countries that I can stay in Africa today. South Africa, Nigeria. Apart from these two countries, I cannot stay in any other country. I've passed the levels of any other country. There is level. What will I, if I go to Zambia, I open a church and I have 100,000 people coming to my church? Who are they? When you are in Zambia, you are limited. You are a junior prophet or a junior bishop. Tell me one man of God in Zambia that is making wave all over the world. There is nothing. So Zambia, I passed that level. I love the country so much. Politically, but religiously, I have passed that level. I can't be in Zambia. I can't stay there. So men of God, relax yourself. I'm not coming there. If I wanted, I don't need to come there. I can call Junior, give him a do as I say product, come live here, and tell the people of Zambia that Junior is coming to anoint everybody with do as I say oil. And I'll put it on Sunday. Believe me, all the churches in Zambia will be empty. Because there is no powerful man or woman of God in Zambia. All of them are babies. They can't give solution to their people. That's why their people are leaving their country, going to South Africa to come and see Sia1. Going to Nigeria to go and meet Prophet TB Joshua. There is nothing in Zambia. So don't be afraid. I'm not coming. I'm not coming to Zambia. I don't have anything. I've passed that level. Zambia is a junior when you come to a country where you stay and do ministry properly. Ask me your question. What do you think about the statement which Mr. President stated, saying more money comes with hard work? Is more money coming with hard work? The cadres, which hard work are they doing? Edgar Lungu. You made this statement. This was not SATA's statement. SATA promised people more money in their pocket. He didn't say it's through hard work. It's through nice government policy. There is a lot of money in Zambia. It's just that few people and the family of Edgar Lungu are the ones enjoying it. Edgar Lungu, you are saying money come through hard work. What hard work is Tarsila Lungu doing? Tarsila Lungu is one of the richest female African in Southern Africa today. What hard work is she doing? Edgar Lungu, you are talking about hard work. You yourself, what hard work do you do? Are you not the richest president in Southern Africa today? What hard work? How much is your salary? Bowman Lusambo is dishing out 300,000, 100,000, 1 million to people, buying petrol for people. The mentality came from MMD. He has brought it to PF to destroy PF completely, and no one in PF is talking. The people that sweated for PF, the people that fought for PF, the people that fought MMD are the people suffering in PF. Idiots like Bowman Lusambo, at the Minister of Lusaka, is the one distributing billions. What hard work is he doing? Edgar Lungu. What hard work is Bowman Lusambo doing? How about the one that called himself a Melican? What hard work is he doing? Where is he getting money? The slave queens that are going from Dubai to Dubai, from here to here, sleeping up and down. There is one other young girl, I don't know if they call her Messi who even confessed that she never had papers to get a contract, and she was given a contract. What hard work is she doing? Are you mad? What hard work? Tell me what hard work that you are doing and your people are doing in Zambia to be rich. You are telling poor people. Where is the work actually? Work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. Where is the work? You have not given them job and you are telling them to work hard. Where are they going to see to work from? All the works have gone to Chinese. Chinese are selling tomato. They are selling tomato on the street. They are selling chicken. Where is the work that you are talking about? Don't allow me to insult Edgar Lungu. Which hard work are you talking about? Okay. You are saying the truth. Lungu has failed us. He has failed completely. He has failed. Does do as I say exist in Zambia? Do as I say work anywhere in the world. So long as it's coming from CR1 direct. Miracle money, do as I saw. Healing, do as I saw. HIV, cancer, diabetes, whatever it is. No matter the matter, so long as it's coming from CR1, it works anywhere in the world. My number is there. +277 8993 5144. If you need any of those, send me a message on WhatsApp after the broadcast. Let me show you how it works. CR1, what about the bills given to retirees? They are not giving anything to retirees. The money that's supposed to go to the retirees have been given to cadres. Idiots from the street are rich. They are posting money all over. They are buying cars. But people that are working for the government are poor. People that are working for the establishment of the country are poor. The students that went to school to study, they are finished studying, they can't find job. Every blessed day, I receive complaint about teachers. Teachers are crying. Unemployment. Instead of creating employment for them, Edgar Lungu carry millions to go and give to cadres. Anyway, time is coming. see one, you are intelligent. Thank you. It says it's a supernatural. It's a product of do as I said. Helicopter for the minister. Talk about it. Those are the foolishness that is going on in PF. Edgar Lungu is failing to. I know that Lungu is watching. It pains me that people that take my advice are the same people that I'm fighting. Anything I say, they put it in practice. People from UPND. I was speaking to one person the other day who is a journalist who was talking to me saying, Papa,